Hello and welcome to ViceVerse. This tutorial is all about creating cinematic prompts in Midjourney AI. In this video, we'll explore the ultimate formula of crafting amazing cinematic images. I'll share some fantastic tips and we'll delve into the logic behind it, giving you the freedom to tweak and customize to your heart's content. Let's dive in. The ultimate cinematic prompt formula. To create stunning cinematic images, we have a powerful prompt formula. Thanks to Theoretical Media for sharing the formula. It all begins with /imagine followed by cinematic still filmed by filmmaker's name, setting the stage for photorealistic cinematic style, followed by scene, subject, action, set design, followed by link, followed by shot, followed by dash dash. Step 1. Cinematic still. First we have cinematic still. This element serves as a significant trigger for Midjourney AI, signaling our intention for a photorealistic and cinematic style. It sets the stage for the subsequent prompt, so it's crucial to place it at the forefront. Step 2. Film by. Next we have the film by section, also acts as a substantial modification trigger. Here, we have the opportunity to reference directors or filmmakers, providing Midjourney AI with valuable insights into the overall vibe we are asking. When you incorporate a reference director known for their strong visual style, you eliminate the need for excessive details in the prompt. The reference director imparts significant information about style, mood, and even costume design, streamlining the prompt. Let's explore this with a basic example. Cinematic still film by a leading child actor, medium shot, 35mm with an aspect ratio of 2:1. Now, let's swap the film by section with different directors to witness the impact it has on the prompt. First up, Walt Disney. This prompt immediately gives us a Walt Disney shot with a leading child actor perfectly framed in artistic Walt Disney signature style. Step 3. Scene, subject, action, set design. The next section of the prompt focuses on the scene, subject, action, set design, and any props the character might be holding. This section brings life and context to your cinematic vision. Here, we vividly describe our character's appearance and actions, along with details about the set and the set design. Additionally, this is where we can include any props the character might hold, like a toy or book, adding depth to the scene. Step 4. The link section, bridging story and technical aspects. After laying this foundation, we move on to what I like to call the link section. This part acts as a bridge between the director's vision and the cinematographer's execution. While the initial part of the prompt is more centered around storytelling and performance, the link section brings us to the technical side. Specify the time of the day, locale, whether it's indoors or outdoors, and any additional technical details. This link section acts like a scene header, guiding the cinematographer and adding crucial details to the prompt. Step 5. Crafting compelling shot composition. The shot composition is the heart of cinematic experience. Utilize a variety of shots like wide angles, ultra wide angles, and close-ups to create the desired visual impact. You can even include focal lengths, f-stops for background blur, and aspect ratios to perfect your cinematic vision. Step 6. Leveraging Filmmaker references. Filmmaker references are a powerful tool in Midjourney AI. Mentioning renowned directors like Akira Kurosawa, Guillermo del Toro, or Wes Anderson guides the AI towards your desired style. Experiment with blending filmmakers with different genres for a fun twist on your prompts. Step 7. The magic of film stocks. Explore the captivating effects of different film stocks. Specify film stocks like Kodachrome or modern options, affecting the overall look and feel of your cinematic stills. Congratulations, you now possess the ultimate formula for creating cinematic prompts in Midjourney AI. Remember to be precise, and the AI will reward you with spectacular results. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting AI tutorials and tips. Unlock your creative potential with Midjourney AI and let's create cinematic magic together. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, happy crafting!